In order to change your payment method on Lazada, you need to go ahead, open the app or the website, log into your specific account, and then after tap on the account section in the top right corner of your screen. The available payment methods in Lazada is Lazada Wallet, credit or debit card, online banking, Bank installments, Touch and Go e-wallet, Cash 7-Eleven. So if you're using mobile device, tap on account in the bottom right corner, and then after go to account information or account security. Here you should be able to manage or change your payment methods. Alternatively, you can change the payment method during checkout as well. Select the product and tap on buy now option. Then you'll be taken to the checkout page where you need to find the payment section or the method again. Select the payment method that you want to change and choose your preferred new payment method to continue with the purchase. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.